Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom up in the air, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is something that is undecided or not finalized. The Board of Management are trying to come to an agreement on the future of the company. Realistically, the future of the company depends on the closure of this deal. Other than that, everything is up in the air. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The father has fallen sick, so the family are unsure about going on holidays now. The holiday is up in the air now. All we're really thinking about is Dad getting better. Their relationship is on the rocks. I feel like things between us have been up in the air recently. I'm afraid we're going to break up. They are frustrated because the tickets for the concert are sold out, and now they have to stay at home. We shouldn't have left our plans up in the air for so long. Now we've missed out. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. The employee is worried about her holidays. Things are still up in the air because my boss still hasn't approved my annual leave. The conference still hasn't been fully decided. The speakers for the annual conference are still up in the air because the directors can't seem to agree on who they want. The manager talks things over with his assistant. Is the date for the meeting still up in the air? Make sure you leave enough time for people to clear their calendars. Where did you hear the expression up in the air? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.